Most people use AI at work. They use it for emails, documents, research, coding. And then they close the laptop and go back to Googling things, scrolling for restaurant recommendations, and trying to figure out what to eat. Today, 10 ways to use the AI you already have to make the rest of your life better. Not your work life, your actual life. Claude or ChatGPT, free to start, no extra apps needed. 10 prompts you can copy and use today. I am Mario, this is AI Alpha. Let us get into it. Number 1, meal planning. Tell Claude, plan my meals for this week. I want to eat healthy and keep it simple. I am, and then you put in your dietary preference. I have 20 to 30 minutes to cook on weekdays. Give me 5 dinners and 5 lunches, a shopping list, and approximate calories. Full week of meals. Shopping list. Nutrition breakdown in 90 seconds. What used to take 20 minutes of Sunday planning is gone. Pro tip: snap a photo of your fridge. Ask Claude to plan meals from what you already have in there. Number 2, workout plan. Tell Claude, my goal is to build muscle and get fitter. I can work out 3, 4, or 5 times a week, each time for 1 hour. I have a gym, home gym, or no equipment. I am a beginner or intermediate. Give me a 4-week plan I can actually stick to, not a generic program. Something built around your schedule and equipment. Ask it to update the plan every 4 weeks as your fitness improves. Number 3, travel guide. This one has changed how I travel completely. Tell Claude I am visiting this city for this many days, staying in a nice neighborhood. I like this type of food, and I do not like tourist traps. Give me best neighborhoods, how to get around without the car, 3 restaurants the locals go to, and 3 things most tourists miss. Better than any travel blog. Personalized to you, not paid to recommend anything. Number 4, city transport. Tell Claude, I am in this city, I need to get from point A to point B without Uber. Which line, where to get on, where to change, the journey time, and fare price. And what should I know about transport here as a tourist? Claude knows the metro, bus, and rail systems of most major cities in detail. Use Perplexity for obscure cities. It pulls live data from the internet. Number 5, habit building. Tell Claude, I want to build the habit of, then you put in your habit. I have tried before and quit after so much time. Here's why I think I quit. Then you give it a reason. Design a 30-day system. Keep it simple. Exact trigger, exact action, how to track it, what to do when I miss a day. The key: Claude asks why you quit before. The plan it builds accounts for your actual failure point, not generic habit advice. A system built around your specific obstacle. Number 6, weekly planning. 5 minutes on Sunday that changes your entire week. Tell Claude, here is what is coming up this week: meetings, deadlines, etc. Here's what I want to make progress on. Then you give it your personal goals. Here is what drained me last week. Then you fill in what was hard for you. Give me my top 3 priorities: one personal goal to protect time, and a realistic daily focus for each day. You start Monday knowing exactly where your energy should go. Number 7, learning anything faster. Tell Claude, I want to learn about a certain subject. Your stage, if you're a complete beginner or intermediate, I have 20 to 30 minutes a day. Teach me the 20% that gets 80% of the results. 30-day plan, 3 most important concepts. First, daily practice exercise. For languages, use Claude as a conversation partner. Ask it to respond in Spanish. Ask it to correct your mistakes with explanations. A private tutor available 24 hours a day for free, just on your phone. Number 8, healthy food choices on the go. At a restaurant and not sure what to order. Tell Claude the type of restaurant and what you are trying to eat. You can also make a picture of the menu. What should I order? What should I avoid? What is the healthiest thing on a typical menu here? At the end of the day, here's what I ate today. What should I eat for dinner to balance my nutrition? Suggest something I can cook in 20 minutes. Number 9, mental reset. This one is personal. One of the most underrated uses of AI. When everything feels like too much, dump it all into Claude. Here is everything on my mind right now. And then you describe everything in there. What is actually urgent and what just feels urgent? What is one small thing I can do in the next 10 minutes to feel less stuck? What can I let go of completely? Claude does not replace real support from people you trust, but it is very good at taking a chaotic brain dump and organizing it into something you can act on. Number 10, things to do near you. You have a free afternoon anywhere and do not know what to do. Tell Claude, I have a free afternoon in this specific city or place. I'm in the mood for outdoor food, relaxed, or adventure. I am alone, with partner, or with kids or friends. Give me 3 options. One low key, one medium, one adventurous. Works in your home city too. Claude finds things that are not on the first page of Google. 10 ways to use Claude or ChatGPT in your daily life. Meal planning, workouts, travel guides, city transport, habit building, weekly planning, learning anything, healthy food choices, mental reset, and finding things to do anywhere. All free, all available right now, all take less than 2 minutes. Pick one, use it today, not next week. Today, which of these 10 are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one of them. And if you want to go deeper on AI and all of this, I run a community called AI University, where I talk about new AI tools, prompts in plain English every single day. Link is in the description. Subscribe for more plain English AI videos every single day. See you in the next one.